Hi, I'm Dr. Teresa Green with Aligned Chiropractic in Richmond, Virginia, and today I'm going to show you how to use a lumbar brace. Now, the one I like to use in my office is the Core products, and this is for my patients, so they have a reference when they are using this at home. So with the Core brace, you will see it has an Apple tag, which is for the back, and then it's got Velcro in the front. You'd open the Velcro first. Then you're going to take that Apple tag, and it should be in the back, in the center, and you want the brace should be, the top of my hip is right about here. It should be maybe an inch or so above the top of your hips. If you put your hands on your hips here, your belly button it should not be higher than your belly button. So these little squares in the front are simply to keep it from falling to the ground when you're tightening the brace. So that's all there for. Then you're going to take the handle here, and then the Velcro side is here, and there's a little strap. You're gonna pull as tight as you can. I mean, it should be pretty tight across here first. Then you're going to loosen these side braces here. You can see a little bit better. So there's extra on both sides. What I recommend you do is take your elbows to your side. You're gonna pull almost as tight as you can, and you're gonna snap those bad boys down so it's nice and tight and firm here. Now with these braces, in my experience, you're either gonna feel pretty instant relief or nothing at all. So if your painful position is, say, sitting, you should be able to sit and be like, oh, that feels a little bit better when I'm sitting. Or if it's painful when you're standing, you should notice a pretty instant support there. So again, to review, Apple tag should be in the center, right here, top of your hip. There should be an inch or two of the brace. That square in the middle here is just to keep it from falling to the ground. And then we are going to take this tag here, pull across as tightly as we can from here. And again, that Velcro should be entirely on the brace, not hanging down. That's a common problem. And then you're going to pull, tighten your elbows to your side, and tighten as much as you can. Now, you can wear this underclothing or overclothing, but if you're gonna wear it underclothing, I recommend that you wear a camisole or some sort of shirt underneath, just because it could chafe. For cleaning purposes, I put it in a mesh bag and put it in my laundry because Velcro gets stuck to everything. You do wanna wear this, I recommend every 2 hours you take it off for about 5 minutes. So if you're drinking plenty of water, a bathroom break suffices for this, but take it off for about 5 minutes. And a common question I get is, should I sleep with this on? And no is my recommendation. Now, another thing you can do is you can loosen the brace, and it won't be supporting you, but you could tuck an ice pack in here, and that would allow you to be mobile while you're wearing ice on your low back. So I hope this helps.